Okay, does this sound familiar? You have a website that works, you already sell products and services that people buy, now you want to ramp up sales. Hello, I'm Rich Bruns. In the next 3 minutes, let me show you how to set up ads on Google Search that make you money. It's not difficult. My step-by-step guide shows everything you need to know. You can also schedule a friendly coaching session with me to run ads in the next few days. Writing ads is the easy part. You can write great ads because you know why customers buy your products instead of competitors. It's easier to write ads yourself than to explain your business to an ad agency. Now for the tricky part. You need to set up ads so you don't pay Google too much. Here's the problem. Google sets up the Google Ads program so you pay more, even when you waste money. Today, most advertisers pay Google 4 times as much as they paid Google just 2 years ago. How does Google get you to pay more money? 1. 20 confusing program settings let Google charge you more than the maximum cost per click that you select. 2. Warnings tell you to increase your cost per click and budget. 3. Suggestions allow Google to run ads on search words that you don't select. 4. The Google program hides cost-effective settings in sub-menus. My guide shows how to avoid program settings that waste your money. Here's your key to success. Set up separate ads for individual search words. Choose words that your desired customers put into Google Search, so you don't waste money running ads to non-buyers. Every ad you run shows people the same words they just put into Google Search and why your product is better than competitors. After your ads run, your precise customer targeting shows precise results for individual search words. Adjust the maximum cost per click for all your search words to make the most money. Consider profit on each sale, inventory, seasons, and current business conditions. Some ads may be too expensive to run often because competitors pay too much. It's not difficult to set up ads that make you money. Over the years, I've streamlined the process working with my customers that combines my guide with one-on-one coaching. My Google Search Ads guide shows how to set up ads step by step with screenshots of the Google Ads program. Everything you need to run successful ads. In addition, I offer flexible coaching options. Most of my customers schedule a coaching session with me to get started. In a couple hours, we set up your first ad together. Then you know how to set up more ads the same way. Buy the guide and schedule a friendly coaching session with me to get your ads up and running in the next few days. I look forward to working with you.